Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily connect your Tapo C220 camera with an Android phone. So first, open the Tapo app and log into your account. Now click plus in the top right corner and select Add Device. In here, go for Indoor Cameras, and now scroll down until you see Tapo C220. Here, make sure the LEDs are blinking from red to green, and now click Next. Here, Tapo is looking for our device, and we have to make sure that we are connected to Tapo's device's Wi-Fi. Here, we need to choose our network, which we're gonna use. And now here we need to enter the password. Now click Next and Next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Here it said connecting to Wi-Fi, and now we need to switch
Wi-Fi connected.
to other Wi-Fi. And now it's connecting to our network. Here, after it has been paired to our device, we can change our device's name. Now click Next. Here, we can select bedroom, office or custom, wherever we place the Tapo device. Now click Next, and here you can choose an icon for your device. Now click Next, and as you guys can see, our setup is now complete. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.